So today I went ahead and put primer on this. Got to get some paint matched. I'm gonna get another piece of flashing and go over that because the snow, I just don't want that snow to rot this stuff. So we'll just get another piece of flashing, put it over there. I still have to put two pieces of flashing up here, get it up at least 2 feet, you know. Um, and then I noticed that the rain hits this here, so we'll have to figure out what we're going to put on top. But that's what I got done on the outside today. Well, on the inside, I finally got the insulation all done. Just need to get some visqueen and make a vapor barrier. I stuffed some insulation down inside here a couple inches, and then I went ahead and foamed this. That'll stiffen it up, and then this way nothing will be able to fall in there. I'll trim that off flush. And the door. Holy crap, the door. Well, I got the door in. Got the drywall in up here. I foamed it. So here's our door. Yeah. I got it in. We foamed it. I got a box for the light there. I can't do much till this foam dries. But we got a pretty good seal here on the door. I had to do some funky framing up here, but it'll all work. I'll mud this up. And so anyway, doors in. So that's what we've got done today. I'll cover this up somehow and I'll come back tomorrow. It's getting kind of late. Anyway, that's what we got going.